In this video, I will show you how to add payment method on Steam. It should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To add a payment method on Steam, as you can see, we're here in the Steam app, so you can do this on the app or the web-based version of Steam. It's up to you. For this example, I'll be doing this on the app, but if you're using the web-based version, follow along as these steps are the same. So once you're logged into Steam, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see your profile up here where it says manage account. Just go ahead to give that a click, and from this drop down menu that comes up, just come down and click onto account details. And what that's going to do is take you to your account page, and from here, if you look at the top, you want to make sure you're on account details. You're going to see a store and purchase history section. In here you can see just down here we've got an option to add a payment method to this account. So what you want to do is give that a click. As you can see, for myself it says you have no payment methods associated with the account. If you do already have a payment method, instead of saying add a payment method, it's going to have a button saying update payment method. So what you would do is give that a click. Then what you can do is proceed to add your payment method. So of course payment methods available does depend on what country you're in. For myself in the UK, you can see if we click on this drop down box, I've got the option to add a Visa, a MasterCard or a JCB card. So what you would do is simply enter your details into here, click continue, and that's going to go ahead, and you just want to follow the steps basically to add your payment method to Steam. Once your payment method's added and verified, you should now be able to use your payment methods to purchase games on Steam, send money to friends, and other things you can do. So that is how to add payment methods on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.